Hello, my name is Tushar Goda MS. I am representing Batch 5 under the guidance of Professor Pratap MS. I am here to represent seminar about my internship at IC Solution. About the company. ICS is a digital service provider that aims to provide software designing and marketing solutions to individuals and businesses. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solutions from billing software to web designs or any custom demand. Featured service, design and development. In this, they offer professional graphic design, logo design, and brochure design. They develop responsive, functional, and superfast website. They keep the user experience in mind while creating websites. Consultancy. They provide a client with expert advice on design and development requirements. They create a polished professional video that impress audience. Mobile application. They offer a wide range of professional Android, iOS, and hybrid app development service for their global client from a startup to a larger enterprise. Work done. So the actual work done during this internship is that the internship involved gaining a good understanding to develop web application and website using HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and MySQL. Here, my job was to understanding and creating the registration, homepage, and form section. About the project. This project is a web page that basically allows user to access its information and all the assets available for buying purpose. And an individual agent or buyer can buy properties by accessing its information of their own choice. Restaurant website. The main aim of this project is to provide customer for a way to place an order at their favorite restaurant, and a customer will search for a favorite restaurant and choose from available items, and the service that are provided is food ordering by the customer through the system online. Snapshots of my projects. Real estate. About the website regarding company details and information, address, and contact details. The design of the house, interior and exterior, and construction, and the service provided by the company like planning, commercial building construction, residential building construction. We also give services like buying and selling of properties and building maintenance and construct civil construct apartments and high-rise buildings. Restaurant snapshots. Here, the restaurant sell both veg and non-veg items. Here, the user can view the menu and place the order. Technical skills. The skills I have gained. I got here includes basic of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL, and developed a working website that using that knowledge. It also improved by knowledge in developing and testing to the given requirements. Coming to non-technical skills, analytical skills, problem solving, and time management. This is the certification of my internship. Thank you for staying throughout the presentation. If there are any queries, you can comment below. Thank you.